I think one of the challenges in a time like this is with the speed that messages are coming at us and the many different ways we could be hearing information, that we want to not get overwhelmed. And so it's important to have good, trusted sources of information. I'd always recommend people check out the Alberta Health and Alberta Health Services website as the first points of information on COVID, as well as things like self-care. There are good sources of information out there, and it's important that the information we're taking in is good quality. For parents, it's important that we don't minimize our kids' concerns. They're aware of what's going on, their routines have changed, their lives have changed, just like ours have. And it's important that we acknowledge that and help them to recognize that their response is normal too. And then going beyond that, helping them to figure out what new routines look like. Particularly for younger children, routines give them a sense of security and assurance. And so if kids are going to be away from caregivers, day homes, if they're going to be away from school for a time, establishing new routines that allow predictability and give them a sense that they know what to expect can help them to manage anxiety. When you are self-isolating, when you are having to give up your normal routines, finding other things you can do to cope with stress is important. Maybe things that distract you, take you away from being caught up in the 24-hour news cycle and the constant messaging. Setting limits on how much you're exposing yourself to things that are making you anxious. If you can't be in physical contact with somebody, reaching out over technology, phone calls, email, social media, ways of checking in on others, and also just maintaining normal conversation. If there's people that you would see day to day, check in with them, see how they're doing. Maintain that sense of community and connectedness in virtual ways if you can't do it in person. It's important that if we're taking care of other people, we're also attending to our own self-care. If you're overwhelmed, if you're distressed, if you're not able to take care of yourself, you're not going to be able to take care of the people that you love and those around you. So we have to attend to our own self-care at this time as well as the people that are around us.
Together, we do amazing things every day.